Hi friends, in this video, we will try to find out what is the value of 109 times 1009 plus 91 times 991 without using calculator. So let us say 109. I can change that with 100 plus 9. And 1009, I can change with 1000 plus 9. Similarly, 91, I can change with 100 minus 9. And 991, I can change with 1000 minus 9. Now, we can see I do have 100 and 100 here. So let x equal to 100. That means I'm going to replace my 100 with x. And I can see my 1000 and 1000 here. So let y equal to 1000. So my equation will turn out x plus 9 and then y plus 9 plus x minus 9 and y minus 9. Now, if you'll expand, we can see like x times y, which is xy. Then x times 9, which is plus 9x. Then 9 times y, which is plus 9y. And 9 times 9, which is 81. Like the same, if I will expand this bracket, x times y is going to be xy. X times minus 9 is going to be minus 9x. Minus 9 times y will become minus 9y. And negative 9 times negative 9 will be positive 81. Now you can see, collecting the like terms, positive 9x and minus 9x, I can cancel it out. Positive 9y and minus 9y, I can cancel it out. Xy plus xy will become 2xy, and 81 plus 81 will become 162. Now I can again substitute back my values. So what was my x? My x was 100. So 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by y was 1000. So multiply by 1000 plus 162, which will be 2, and then 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will be 200,000 plus 162, and that answer is going to be 200,162. So this is our final answer for this. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.